Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the simple problem in multiple integral. Let us see the problem. Evaluate integral 0 to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square, square root of a square minus x square, dy dx. So answer is, you have to take I, integral I is equal to integral 0 to a, integral 0 to square root of a square minus x square into dy into dx. So it's correct form. So therefore which is equal to integral 0 to a dy. If you are integrating y, the limit is 0 to square root of a square minus x square into dx, which is equal to integral 0 to a. For y you have to apply the upper limit, square root of a square minus x square into dx. Square root of a square minus x square, that is the formula, which is equal to a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus x by 2 square root of a square minus x square. The limit is 0 to a. This is the integration of square root of a square minus x square. Okay, so next you have to apply the upper limit as well as the lower limit. Upper limit is a, lower limit is 0. So therefore which is equal to upper limit a square by 2, a square by 2 sine inverse of a by a plus x by, instead of x you have to apply a by 2 square root of a square minus a square. This is upper limit minus lower limit a square by 2 sine inverse of 0 plus 0 by 2. So it will be 0. A square minus 0 square. So second term will be 0. First term will be, which is equal to a square by 2 sine inverse of 1. This will be 0, this will be 0. So 3 terms will be 0. Sine inverse of 1, which is equal to a square by 2 pi by 2, because sine pi by 2 which is equal to 1. Sine pi by 2 which is equal to 1. So pi by 2 is equal to sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 a square by 2, which is equal to pi a square divided by 4. Pi a square divided by 4. So this is the answer.